In this video, we are going to see how we can import all the inventory along with the opening balances in Odoo. So we have this inventory opening balances as of 1st of January. And we are considering that for this particular assignment, we only had the inventory raw materials as opening balances. So we have these units, cost and totals as opening balances. And for the finished goods, we will separately create the finished goods item and define the recipe management system so that the production process can work smoothly. So in order to import all of these inventory items, we need a simple template. I've already created this for you along with pasting all of this inventory names, units, cost, and etc. So if let's say that you are working for some other scenario, you will follow the same method. Name of all items are these. Sales, we don't sell this raw materials, we only purchase this to manufacture. Product type is goods, we track the inventory. Unit of measure was not defined, so we will just write the unit of measure next to each other, whatever is written. I just paste it here. Purchase unit is the same. Product category is raw material. Just remember that we need to create this product category first, then it should be able to import it. Cost is this, quantity on hand is this. So let's save this. And even before that, we just click on the inventory application and click on configuration and settings. We need to make one adjustment as well so that everything can work smoothly. So here in the settings, if we click on the accounting tab and we scroll down a little bit, we have the taxes area. And by default, if you notice, the sales tax and purchase tax is set to 15%. That means whatever items we import, it will by default be configured at 15%. We don't want that to be changed manually after that. So what we need to do is just create one. I've already created one, but just for the sake of your understanding, I'll just create it again. Click on search more and click on new from here. Just name it as, let's say, exempt tax. It will be percentage basis, 0% on sales, and just save it. And we can link it here. Same goes for the purchases. Click on search more, click on new, write exempt tax. It's on purchases, so change it to purchases. It's 0% and all set. Click save and just save it. After that, just scroll down a little bit more and you will see an area of the stock valuation. So we find it in this particular area before the bottom. Stock valuation is already set, income account is set, expense account is set. Expense account we can change it to cost of goods sold, and automatic accounting we need to enable that. Because in ERP system, you can configure whatever you want. So it is based on the configuration you set that how the inventory will affect or how the journal entries will work at the back end. So if you don't define it properly, it will ruin everything. So stock valuation account is already set. Input output account is all set. That's why we have used the default settings in the chart of accounts, because they already have this account. Otherwise you need to set it in the same order. Click on save. After that, just click on the configuration and click on categories, because in the import template, we have mentioned a product category that we don't have. So just copy this name and click on new, paste it right here. Product category or parent category is goods, or you can keep it as it is so that the default name is set to this. And income account, as you can see, is set to product sales. Expense account, we will change it to cost of goods sold. Costing method is set to average cost, and inventory valuation should be set to automated. And as you can see that when we change it to automated, it will automatically take everything from the settings that we make at the back end. So it has picked up all of these ledgers in the right order. Just click on save. And after that, just click on the configuration and click on categories again, and make sure the product category name is only raw materials and not with /goods. So we have configured all of this, but let me make some more adjustment, because otherwise it will not cancel out the suspense account balance and put the right balance in the trial balance account. Just open the category again, and under the income account, if you notice, it's set to product sales, but this is a price difference account. That means the price difference will be offset from here. So that we have configured in the opening balance equity that we need to settle against this inventory. So just change it to that, click save. And after that, just go back and click on the products and products again. And one more adjustment is what I have done is I'll just keep unit of measure and I've deleted the other purchase unit of measure. So just delete that column, and after that you can save it. Now let's try to import. Just click on the gear icon, click on import records, and click on upload the data file. From here we just select this sheet, and as you can see, everything in the file column or in the Excel sheet is properly linked to Odoo fields. So we have everything properly shown. Click on the test, everything seems valid. Click on import, and now all of these items are imported. If you check any one of them, all of things are properly set. It's exempt, the category is raw material, and it is linked properly here, and the quantity on hand, and everything is shown properly. If we click on the products, or we click on reporting and click on stock, this is the stock position. Just check it from your project that everything seems fine. Cloth A is on hand quantity is 8,000. Cloth B is 7,000, and 1050,000 is the total. So all of this is set. Let's go back and click on accounting to check the final trial balance before continuing further. Click on the reporting and click on trial balance. And here we can now see the opening balance equity is properly settled, and now we don't have any balance here. In the stock, we have 2267,500 properly shown. So everything is fine. Just if we remove this from the balance, it will exactly match this one. Let me just show you. Here we have this balance. But on the debit and credit side, this opening balance equity adjustment is shown. So if we paste it here and put a minus sign with this and just add both of these, it's exactly this one. So only this balance is shown on the debit and credit, and the net effect is 0. Otherwise, all the other balances are properly reconciled. And the adjustment that I have shown you is very, very important. Just change the account categories, go to account categories, and just change the income account to opening balance equity at the starting. So that's very important, and that's how you can import the inventory along with the opening balances in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.